Hello guys, Mistress Blanquita here with your Farming 101. I just finished the trading video, which is one of my work so far. But something that I wanted to discuss with you is that today we're going to be planting for the first time. We're going to be planting white flax. What's really important for the farmer is the calendar. You can plant whatever you want when you want it, and you can gather when you want it also. The plant, something that happens to us, I want you to show you, and just as a way of telling you, is that when I first moved in, this soil was really fertile, and in Eugene's or Devil's word, and my name is Eugene also, so he looked at me and said, Eugene, you have killed this land. And that is because farming requires a little bit of complexity before you just like go ahead and plant. Look, I'm just going to be planting, just show you the mechanic. I'm just going to be planting one flax, yeah. So you go so wild, flax, okay. There you go, that's how it's done. So when you plant, you need to consider three variables. One is water quality, which is always 100, so that's we don't count. The other one is the seed quality. In this case, is 100. So it's supposed to give, you will say it's supposed to give you a plant 100. No, because the third one is the soil quality. The second one, I'm sorry, is the soil quality, which is in this case 96. So my plant, because of soil quality, will go to 96. Okay. My first plant, I already know that I made a big mistake, and I will show you where. It's that my first plant did not came the right way, so I'm going to just approach this. Let's see who it is. Work part up. I think it's a Russian friend. So look at this, and if you notice, yeah. Okay, your wire flax is level 84. Why? I forgot to wear my robes. Yes, because your third capping, I wanted to talk to you about it. It's your skill. So my skill is 94. You're gonna notice that everything that we plan today is 94. Okay, about skills, obviously farming is the second one. And what I want you to notice is up until you're not 90, you cannot fertilize or soil grapes or flax, but fertilizing is really important. So this is why I have refrained a little bit of like really start planting, really start harvesting, because I cannot fertilize our soils. As a matter of fact, I just recently gathered some wheat on the other side with soil 85 that I will be getting later on, up to 94 again. You're gonna see it. I'm going to do today. I'm going to do a second video. We're going to be planting some wheat and doing some soil together. But I want you to notice the difference when you are wearing and when you're not wearing. Yes, 94, because that's my skill. So regardless of the soil that I encounter, not regardless, but as far as the soil is 94, okay, it's going to plant me flax that is 94. That was 95. When we harvest, what I want you to understand, and this is what we did, and that was the big worries, or the big problem, is that you see this, how this lowered the quality because I wasn't wearing my clothing. Okay, you see how white flax is 84 now? When I harvest, the soil will remain 84. Okay, and that is a big problem if you don't pay attention for farming. That's how we ruin really, like they have really rich soil, and I went ahead and I planted just with quality 10, and I really literally killed the land. That you need to be careful, because as you see, it took me like nearly 3 weeks to be able to get the skill to 90 to be able to fertilize, which I'm still not able. I'm gonna be able to fertilize soon, but yet I'm not able still. We can find land with quality at least 94. That's why I waited to 94, because I know that I can easily find land with quality 94. So this land that I'm planting on, it's almost all at least 94, almost all. I think I have a few patches of 93 maybe, but I'm just gonna leave it like that, and whenever I reach 100, I'm just gonna fertilize it up until this land is 100. Remember that we are in the land that we were. Here I come and seed. Okay, so all around you can find good land if you need seed or gathering. That is done in other videos. And that is everything for this video. We're gonna continue when I need to do the wheat. For this patch of land. The last thing I wanted to tell you about farming, on a side that is really difficult and it requires time, it's that when you want to increase, like you see our flax right now, it gets to 94. So when I gather, yes, it's gonna be flax probably 95. Why? Because I did rotational culture. The last time that this land was planted was not planted with flax. So if you rotate your culture, your crops, it will guarantee you an increase of a 1% quality. Okay. If you don't rotate, you might still get the 1%. Okay, that's how you read it. That's why you don't want to always pick up and plant in the same spot unless you already have everything at 100. Like with everything in this game, makes everything easier. The last thing, it's flax is planted to do flax stems with a hamster. That is useful to do clothing, light armor, and rope. Okay, that's how you do rope with flax stems. That's why we're planting it. Okay, potatoes are used mainly for cooking and some taming, but the main use of the potato is cooking. Same thing than peas. Peas can be sold at a good price at the market, I was told. So that is something great. And that is it. That is the end of the video.